I'll just quickly say that someone mentioned, the least privilege access, and I like that as a principle. I agree with what Yoav said and what David said. Ultimately, Series C and later is probably when companies are starting to think about scale a lot more. Usually at that point, you've got a product market fit. And sort of what it is you're scaling at that point. And so that's when the technology decisions that you're making start to have more long-term ramifications. And that's the point at which, I usually coach founders to start, being a little bit more thoughtful about how they are approaching not only technology decisions and architectural principles, but also, culture and cultural norms around, how data is going to be managed and how access is going to be managed. For example, if you were to, sort of in the early days, make it possible for everyone in the company to have access to all of the customer data, everyone in the company might only be like, 25 people. But once you get to a point where it becomes, 125 people, then you no longer have sort of very close knowledge of everyone's kind of role and what they're doing and why. And so those are the times when these things need to be kind of sewn into the fabric of the technology and the cultural norms.